This guy thinks he's invisible.
He's not. It's creeping. So if you know us, our favorite meal is breakfast.
We are at BLD, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we're about to grub.
Yes.
I devoured. Just saving that for last. Steph over here is on the struggle bus for some reason.
I'm sweating. Trying to finish this. I haven't made a dent. I don't understand. I feel like I'm eating for days.
So yeah, it was delicious. Now what are we about to do?
Okay, so we are at the Phoenix Zoo.
The Phoenix Zoo, it's really cool.
The biggest non-profit zoo in the United States, which we love.
Yeah, it started in 1962, a little fun fact. It's really cool. It's
Yeah,
awesome.
we're loving it so far.
Alright guys, say hi to Lulu the rhino.
Lulu.
Apparently she's new here. Also, I have a question. I'm not a huge wildlife expert. Why do they hate one leg? Literally all flamingos hate one leg.
They always hold up one leg and just stand on one of them. Like this guy right here. We found one of my favorite animals. Oh, look who came to say hello.
Yep, her name's China.
Tina. Come here, girl.
So Steph has officially hit her head on 2 signs by trying to stare at something. Steph, what do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know.
Oh God.
I don't have anything to say. I just don't see well.
Now we're going to see.
Bears and lions.
Stay tuned.
Come on.
Yeah, we all know who's getting all the food in this place. All right, we're about to feed giraffes. So excited. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Look at them. All right, so when you come here, you gotta feed the giraffes.
My hands smell like giraffes now. Look what I got.
Look at this.
Oh, so cute.
So much fun, so definitely do it if you're at the Phoenix Zoo.
Ooh, she's hungry. Alright, so we found a place that kind of has queso. Not quite our version of queso, but
Still good.
still good. Cheers.
Cheers. I don't even know what time it is.
5:45?
5:45 in the morning. We just got done with our first flight. But anyways, what we wanted to say was Arizona was a ton of fun. So much fun.
So much fun.
And we got to meet up with Road Trip C and Wonderland Travelers while we were there. So
super exciting.
yeah,
Actually meet some people in real life.
their accounts are somewhere on the screen once again. I don't know where. So yeah, definitely check them out. But it was so much fun. Now we have one more flight.
Yep.
And a drive.
Yep.
And then we got
It's
the 2
really
nuggets.